Vanakkam. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see herbal patti for knee pain and all swellings. This herbal patti is used in specifically Tamil Nadu for many thousands of years. Here still any small problems in the knees, people used to put this herbal patti, which is very effective to reduce the swellings of the knees and also the swelling which comes in your forehead. Because of that, people suffer from headache. So now we are going to see how to put this herbal patti on the knees. The patients who suffer from knee pain, if you see, they will have lots of swelling. This swelling in the knees is because of the water content in the knees, and some people it may have the urinary problems, so they will have less urination and the knees may be affected because of that. So this herbal patti, if you put it daily, you can feel tremendous improvement in your knees within 10 days. And how to put this herbal patti? What herb to be used? The herb used for herbal patti is chukku. It's a dry ginger. Dry ginger is a root which is very effective to relieve pains. So buy dry ginger from the market, powder it. For external application, there need no purification. Dry ginger can be directly used, but for internal usage, you have to purify the dry ginger. I will save the purification in the other video. So now you no need to do any purification. Just buy the dry ginger from the shop and powder it and put hot water in it and make into a paste form. I will show you. This is the paste form of chukku, the dry ginger, and we are going to put this herbal paste and apply it on the knees and make it dry and wash after 1 hour. So this herbal patti can be put at any time and you can have a good relief in it. Now we will see the application. Now we have the dry ginger paste which we have made it with a hot water, and now we are going to apply this paste on both knees. Those who suffer from knee pain can use this nature cure therapy and get benefited. You have to put it at least for 1 hour, minimum 1 hour it has to be there and dried. Even you can put it in nights and you can go for sleep. It's not a problem. Now we'll see how to apply it on the knees. If you have big swelling, you can apply more on the swelling area. Allow it to dry. It will dry within 1 hour, and then you can wash. Do it daily till you get the good results. Minimum it will take 10 days to get relief. You can have your internal medicines, it's not a problem. You can do yoga and add this therapy with whatever treatment you are taking. This will give a good results. We will see in the next video. Thank you.